Hello everyone, this is Teziba from the Disconnect support team. I am here to give you a brief walkthrough of how you can do the setup of connecting your Discogs marketplace with your WooCommerce website to sync your products, orders, and manage inventory on both platforms automatically. When you will sign up, you will get the onboarding steps where you can connect your Discogs account first. Please make sure that you are already logged in your Discogs account. So whenever you click on this button, you will get redirected to your Discogs account automatically. So once you click on this button, it will redirect you to the authorization page where you have to click on the authorize button. And after clicking on authorize button, it will automatically connect your Discogs account with us. After that, you will get the option to select a platform that you want to connect with the Discogs account. So here we are selecting WooCommerce, and after that you have to add the WooCommerce domain and click on the authenticate WooCommerce button. After clicking on authentication button, it will redirect you to the WooCommerce page where Disconnect will ask you to connect your store. Here you have to just click on the approve button. Once you click on this button, it will again take back to the Disconnect panel where you can complete the other setup and start your sync. For starting your synchronization, you have to turn on the button. It will ask you the direction of your product sync, whether you want to sync from Discogs to WooCommerce or sync from WooCommerce to Discogs. And the first, we are going to select Discogs to WooCommerce. Here, it will give you the option of adding repricing, where you can reprice by percentage or amount and add a value either in increasing manner or decreasing manner. So whatever product coming from Discogs will get created under WooCommerce accordingly. If you don't want to use it, just let it be and click on save and start the sync. As we have done all the setups, now we have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes, as you can see here, and then all the products will be fetched in Disconnect. Let's wait for 15 minutes, then get back to the setup again. Now, as we are back after 15 minutes, you will notice that your Discogs product are fetched here in Disconnect. And these are those products which were in for sale status. Now, if you want to sync your products to WooCommerce directly without making any changes and happy to move forward, then you don't have to do anything. You have to just turn on the create new button you will find here in the channel settings. But if you want to send the products in proper categories of your WooCommerce store and want to have the proper details of the records to get displayed in your WooCommerce, then you can check our mapping sections. You can go to the mapping and click on WooCommerce mapping. Here you will first notice the field mapping. Field mapping is done by customizing various fields dynamically on your WooCommerce platform for all your products. As a seller, you can now completely automate how your product data in your Discogs are mapped to your fields on WooCommerce for all your products. If you would like to customize products at an individual level, then you can do so in the product details page here. Secondly, you will get the category mapping. Here, you can dynamically map one category of Discogs to the WooCommerce category so that it will help you arrange the products without any confusion. Once all the setup is done, you can go to the channel settings and turn on the create new button. Now we can wait for 15 minutes more and let's see the products after syncing it to WooCommerce store. We are back after 15 minutes and now you can see that some of the products have started syncing to your WooCommerce store, and now you can check your WooCommerce store. Here you will see that the product title is fetched, the pricing is there, and the description is also here fetched, the track list. And if you want to sync the videos, then you can add the video shortcodes in the field mapping too, and it is going to be under the category that you have selected in the rule map. Now, if you want to sync your WooCommerce product to Discogs, then you can use our reverse sync functionality here. For that, you can go to the channel settings and click on the WooCommerce lab and turn on the import products from WooCommerce button. Here, you will get the option to filter the products to be imported by either category or tag. Then, once you have selected one of the options given here, you can select the categories. Select those categories which have the products that you want to sync to WooCommerce. After that, choose a field that will hold the release ID of Discogs. Please make sure that all of your products you are going to sync from WooCommerce to Discogs have a release ID. You can add those release ID in either of the fields, whether that is Q, attribute, or custom field in your WooCommerce, and you have to choose it and save it. Once it's saved, only those products will get fetched which have selected here in the category section and have the release IDs. Those products which don't have the release ID will go under the error log. Once you are done, click on save. Now go to the Discogs settings and turn on the create new button present here in the Discogs settings. You have to select a default media condition, a sleep condition, and comments if you want to add. Just click on WooCommerce and you can use the given shortcodes also for adding your comments. After that, we are giving you an option to apply a repricing. You can use it to either increase or decrease the amount of the product that you want to sync from WooCommerce to Discogs. And you have to select one default status. Whenever a product will get created from WooCommerce to Discogs, you can choose whether it go as a draft in Discogs or as a for sale. Once all the setup is done, you can click on save. After completing these two setup, your WooCommerce products will start syncing to your Discogs. So this is how it works. Please let us know if you have any questions. And for more detail, please do schedule a call with us and we will give you a brief walkthrough, will help you on the setup and complete everything. Thank you.